Hello and welcome back to this tutorial. Since we have finished the looks category, now let's move on to the sound category. First of all, if you click in this tab, you will be having this default meow sound along with this default sprite. Let me play it. That is the audio clip. Again, I'll bring back this block. Now when I put this block and click go, it should make the meow sound. Now play sound until done means it won't do any action until the sound is done. For example, if I take this block and attach this block, it will move 10 steps and play this sound. But if you only want it to move after playing the sound, then choose this block. As you can see, it first played the sound and only then moved 10 steps. Stop all sounds mean if you want to stop every sound. Now change pitch effect by 10 is basically changing the pitch of the sound, whether you want it high pitch or low pitch. Now this was the original pitch. If we attach this block, it should change the pitch by 10. And you can change the numbers. You can also make the pitch low by writing numbers in minus. Set pitch effect is basically same as change, but you can use this if you want it to change in the starting itself in your project. Clear sound effects means if you don't want any pitch and just want the sound as its original form. Now change volume by minus 10 is basically if you want to reduce or increase the volume. Now when I remove the block, it should be in its original voice. You can again change the numbers. As you can see, I just checked mark this volume button, and here you can see how your volume changes. Initially it was 100, by minus 5 it became 95. So you can keep track like that, but if you don't want this to appear in your screen, just uncheck it. And if you don't like changing by numbers, you can always change by percentage. Now it's on 100%, we can make it 40%. And you can change it back to 100%. So that is all for sound. Thank you for watching and see you in the next chapter.